Today I'm going to be reviewing NUMANU's 2025 3-in-1 collapsible stool. This thing is really cool. I'm going to take it out of the case. This collapsible stool is going to hold 620 pounds. It's even got a cup holder. I'm going to put this together. What's really nice is the case also has the pad for the seat. Before I put the seat on, I want you to just check out. Look at how small this is. Not very big at all. About 2 pounds here. It does have a lock for when you want to collapse it or not. So what I'm going to do is show you how it works. Once you unlock it here, this thing opens up. Now you can adjust the size. Here is the full size here, going from 2.5 to 18 inches. It's got a new triple lock system here, if you can see here. So that's supposed to be more sturdy to hold your 620 pounds. Now what's nice is you can adjust where you want it to go. So depending on the height, there's a little bit shorter. You can adjust and go down and create the height that you want. So you can use it whether you're working on a car or maybe you're out in the garden, maybe using it for a little table while you're camping or a footstool. So whatever you want. And then of course, remember to lock it. All right, so here we go. This is the carrying case. Now, this is pretty thick there. An inch and a half, really nice. They have another one, by the way, that's extra large. It holds 1,000 pounds, and it has more of a Tempur-Pedic type cover that spins. You get a cup holder right here. This Velcro's on, and then you just snap it in place, and you've got a great place for your bottle. So this is an Amazon choice. It gets 4.4 stars, which I like to see. It's got over 3,000 plus reviews. And last month, November of 2025, 300 plus of these were sold. 100,000 people have tried NUMANU stuff. This does come with a full lifetime warranty. You just have to contact NUMANU through Amazon and they'll take care of you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.